Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We're out here at the carving yard working on the giant rooster. Look at this thing. It's a great big rooster. He's getting all pieced together. Last time we were here, we were blocking out, adding pieces, letting that Gorilla Glue dry stuff. I pulled the big timber locks out that were holding this on, that had this piece tied down so the glue could dry. These are like ready to be carved. Now, once I get done carving, I will sink timber locks back into any piece that was added just for that extra strength. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, hit that bell, hit all. Guys, you got to make sure YouTube notifications are on. I've only got about 17% of you. We got almost 23,000 subscribers and only 17% of you have notifications turned on for YouTube and have hit the bell and all that stuff for my channel. Help me out growing this thing. Hopefully we get a lot bigger this year, but I can only do it with your guys' help, and I already do appreciate it. Thank you to everybody that's a member. We have 19 members right here on this channel. 19 of you have committed to supporting the work that I do. You guys have signed up at different tiers, and I seriously appreciate it. It means a lot. I can't believe it. 19 members right here on this channel. You guys rock. Let's start working on this. Check it out. Delivered the big giant rooster. It's gonna end up getting moved up to the road in a few days. They gotta pour a slab to set him on, but here he is. He's about 7 feet, a couple inches. Wanted to make sure I could give you all a big walk around on him. Let me know what you guys think. Be sure to give me a thumbs up. Hit subscribe, hit that bell, hit all, turn on YouTube notifications so you guys don't miss future uploads. And if you want to learn to chainsaw carve, check out that beginner's tutorial playlist. Appreciate you guys watching. See you in the next video.